it's Sophia. Today I just received a mystery packet from Hak5. I have no idea what's inside, but it only says for pen testers only. Let's check what's hidden inside. Wait, what? I received a fruit to unbox? With the features, it's ultra portable, completely wireless, and 0 battery life, and smells like a smoothie. Let's open it and eat it. Let's explore more features before we eat it. Wait, why is it beeping? That's not normal. This sounds like a high-tech pineapple. What if Hak5 hid something inside for pen testers? Okay, let's crack this open and find out why it's beeping. Looks quite strong. Let's crack it with my special lightsaber. Let's crack it open. It's all cracked. Let's see what's inside. Whoa! There's a gadget hidden in the pineapple. Wow. Pineapple page in a pineapple? I'm so excited. Let's turn it on. Wait. As soon as I turned it on, everything started changing. What happened to my screen? What happened to my wall? This is the Wi-Fi pineapple pager from Hak5, a teeny tool that is for serious pen testers. It's made for ethical hacking and security testing by professionals just like me, not by messing with random people's Wi-Fi. In my next videos, I'll set up my pineapple pager and show you some cool safe tests in my lab. Hit the like button if the beeping pineapple scared you a bit, and subscribe so you won't miss out the next mission. Tell me in the comments below which pineapple you would rather pick. The tasty one, or the one which listens everything in the air?